Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Gmail account from another device. This is especially important if you signed in on someone else's phone, a shared computer, or a device you no longer use. Removing your account from those devices helps protect your privacy and keeps your information secure. Let's go step by step. First, open your Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. After tapping on it, select Manage your Google account. This will take you directly to your main Google account dashboard, where you can control all account settings. Now, look at the menu on the left-hand side and tap on Security. The Security section is where you can monitor account activity, manage sign-ins, and review devices connected to your account. Scroll down slowly until you find the section called Your Devices. Under this section, tap on Manage All Devices. This will show you a complete list of all devices that are currently signed in to your Google account. Take a moment to carefully review the list. You'll see the names of the devices along with details like when they were last active. Find the device you want to remove. Once you select the device, tap on it and then click on Sign Out. Confirm your action if asked. After that, your Gmail account will be successfully removed from that device. And that's it. It's a simple process, but it's very useful for keeping your account safe and under your control. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.